guys, welcome to the Agent's Garage again. And alongside me over here, up in the sky behind me, we have a Toyota Yaris that's in for difficult gear selection, and we've come to determine that the clutch is the issue. So yeah, it's moment time, the box is taken out already, and now we're going to start assembling or reassembling the vehicle with all the new components, and the flywheel that's come back from the engineers has been reschemed as well. Yeah. So we're gonna put the new flywheel, or put the skin flywheel back on, and then assemble the clutch and get the gearbox back in and get the vehicle back up and running. Yeah. So it was importantly, so over here we have the clutch alignment tool, and as you saw on the gearbox, we have greased the clutch splines, or the splines of the inputs off, and that will in the interim also grease the clutch splines up as well. So we will see the gearbox side. What that means is that the flat side of the clutch plate, that's the one that goes up against the flywheel, and the side which is gearbox side, that's the side that goes on the inputs off on the gearbox side. So that's the clutch alignment tool, that will go into the flywheel to line up the clutch, so that we can get the gearbox in nice and easily, and it will line up on the center shaft of the clutch plate as well. Olympics over. The Olympics. Olympics.
We got Dane's Jasmine stepping up to do the...
Here's a powder start met doen, joh.
Oh, hey!